Hi, this is Kirti from Aviso, and in this video I will talk about deal list. To access this feature, please log into your Aviso application and on the navigation bar click on the third icon here. On this page you will notice a list of all of your deals along with Aviso score. Aviso win score indicates how confident Aviso is about this deal getting closed in the same quarter. And you click on the eye icon here to see how Aviso win score has evolved week on week over a month ago. And you click on any of these dots to see the top factors contributing to the Aviso win score. On the extreme top, you will notice Aviso's win score threshold, which tells deals with Aviso win score above the threshold have a high likelihood of closing this deal in the same quarter. You can sort all of your deals by win score, by amount, by deal level forecasting, and so on. Kindly note that all of these fields are completely configurable and they differ as per your business metrics. To include or exclude a specific deal from your forecast, you can use the toggle switch here. And when you click on the filter icon on the top, you have few static filters readily available, and to create dynamic filters you can click on the create button in the bottom. You could also use the magnifying glass here to run a ad hoc query. Do not forget to click on save and apply for the changes to take effect. So in the list view you see all of the deals readily available, and when you click on the map view, all your deals will be segregated into 4 quartiles. For further details, kindly refer to the op map video. You go back to the list view, and in the top right corner you notice a tiny little eye icon, and when you click on the tiny little eye icon you will get a quick glimpse about a specific deal. And lastly, when you click on customize, you will be able to rearrange the fields on the page layout. To export all of this information, click on the export data button here. I hope this information was helpful, and if you have any questions, please contact your customer success manager. Thank you.